Hi everyone, my name is Kelsey Bates and I'm competing in the age management category. This is week A. We just finished up our last treatment and we started this to treat her fine lines and wrinkles, improve her elasticity, improve the overall skin tone. We were looking to lift, tighten, and tone and just give her that overall radiant glow that she was looking for. We got here by stimulating at every single layer of the skin. We were stimulating at the stratum corneum all the way down to the subcutaneous to promote circulation and blood flow. And doing this, we gave her a huge collagen and elastin boost. And I'm very pleased. How do you feel about it?
I'm in shock. It looks so good. I didn't even know this was possible. So I'm thrilled and I think it looks great. I definitely feel like
Absolutely.
It is a huge improvement.
Yes, I mean, we have made improvement in so many areas. Exactly the exact things that we were trying to improve is what we did. So with that being said, we are both very pleased and I'm so thankful that Kimberly was my model for this past 8 weeks. She was the most perfect model, just the easiest person ever, and yes, you're so welcome. And I hope to see you on my next case study. Bye everyone.